This is Techful Things, and today I've got something powerful for anyone struggling with slow Airtel internet on their 3G or 4G SIM. Have you tried everything? Restarting your phone, switching browsers, even watching tutorials, yet your connection is still crawling? Don't worry, I'm about to show you the correct Airtel APN settings that actually work. This isn't guesswork. These settings can boost your browsing and download speed, whether you're using an Android phone, a budget device, or a mid-range smartphone. Let's get straight into it. Open the Settings app on your phone. Now tap SIM cards and mobile networks. Choose your Airtel SIM, then scroll down and select Access Point Names or APN. At the top right corner, you'll see a plus icon. Tap it to create a new APN. Now follow me closely as we enter the settings one by one. This part is important. Enter the exact values I show on screen. Once everything is filled in, tap the three dots in the top right corner and hit Save. Next, we'll configure the MMS settings. Don't skip this step. It helps with media-rich apps like WhatsApp or Facebook loading faster. Again, once you're done, save it using the three dots menu, and now select the new APN you just created. Final step, restart your phone. This will activate the new settings, and you should instantly notice a better, faster connection. If this helped you, drop a in the comments and let me know your device model. And hey, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone struggling with slow Airtel data.